Honey, what we are gonna eat?
Opo, sir.
Honey, wanna buy a phone? Wanna buy a phone? No? Honey, she's quite beautiful. Should I marry her? You don't really wanna buy a phone now? Okay. It's up to you. Up. Yes, my note. Only cameras. Thank you. So, I'm quite hungry. But which place is this one? You're bringing me to supermarket, not a mall. Maybe you want me to buy a shirt? Okay, I will buy, no problem. So it is a quite nice place. I'll make a video, okay? You okay?
First time here, sir.
So there's some good clothes. You wanna buy something, honey? Maybe man t-shirt. Hello. T-shirt for man.
Menswear.
Menswear. Thank you very much. So let's go to the menswear and see what they have to offer. Are they really kidding? 120? Are this really 120? I can't believe it. It's so cheap. No way it's 120. You wanna buy? Buy it. I'm looking for a man t-shirt. Are these clothes new or not? 269. Are these real new clothes or second hand?
Here's loads.
New? Are you sure?
Just
Can you find a bigger shelf? I don't wanna buy. I don't feel comfortable. Let's forget about it. I don't like this. It seems like second hand. Honey, I take a picture stand here. Honey, open your hand like this. Yeah, or more, like big. Up. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, अपन आया यहाँ पे कलीनन। यहाँ पे 100 से 500 रुपये 500 पैसों के कपड़े मिलते हैं। यहाँ 500 रुपये से 2500 रुपये के। चले मैं आपको दिखाना शुरू करता हूँ। क्या शो रहा हूँ। तो आप कपड़े देख सकते हैं, ये 270 पैसों का है, लगभग 1000 रुपये का आप कह सकते हैं। वो 69 पैसों की चड्डियाँ हैं। लगभग 300 रुपये। चप्पलें, जूते, ग्लासेस, शूज़, प्यारी प्यारी जूतियाँ हैं। Are this really new? I don't think so. It's new. This looks very old to me. Honey, are these clothes new?
which one?
And all of this. New. Okay. तो मैं आपको दिखाता चलूँ। तो काफ़ी सस्ते, मुझे यकीन यार इतने सस्ते कपड़े यहाँ पे मिल सकते हैं। ये ख़वातीनों के कपड़े हैं। मैं आपको ये भी दिखाता चलूँ। ये स्विमिंग, खाना for swimming.
Kind of like old stuff that you never found. That's why you
Oh,
can see.
so you wanna buy something? Huh? I think why you didn't pay me for shopping? But it's need time, a lot of time.
My first time here.
For your first time, next time you come here, but you need like 2-3 hours because slowly you have to find your stuff you like. So let's go here and see what's here. یہ بنیادی طور پہ سارے نیو ہے لیکن اسٹاک جو بکا نہیں ہے یہ وہ ہے. اسٹاک جو بکا نہیں ہے وہ ہے. وہاں پہ کوئی سائیکل ہے, کھلونے ہیں, دیکھتے ہیں. ڈریس 100 پیسو, buy one take one. It's quite good, you know. You should come here, you know. Anne, let's go. Stationery also. Backpack. تو یہ تو کافی اچھا ہے. ہاں یہ بیک پر کتنے کا چیک کریں ہم. 269 تقریباً 10,000 کا. یہ 239 10,000 کے قریب کا ہے. Around 2,699. یہ also good luggage, you know. Some, you know, backpack here. یہ اس کا پتہ نہیں کتنے کا ہے. 599. No, just looking the price, you know, getting an idea. This is good, you see. This is good, like trolley, you see.
Yeah.
149 is not expensive, you know, you don't have to carry, you see. For you also, good.
It is.
This one also good, you know, for travel. Maybe I can just take this one. If I knew, you know, I will just buy a 24 inch, but use this one for travel. کافی اچھی چیزیں ہیں. اچھی چیزیں ہیں, جو اسٹاک بکا نہیں ہے. سو اس کا نام کالی نن, رائٹ. سو شیل وی گو ناؤ. کافی اچھی چیزیں ہیں. میرے خیال سے دوا کا سب سے سستا مال ہے یہ. You can find nearly everything here, you know. مجھے اچھا لگا ہے, کافی سستی چیزیں. 299 remote control car, so cheap here. 399. I wasted so much money, you know. Expensive buying for nearly 1,000 peso once for Hong Kong, you know. Just bring them all here and they say, let's do shopping, like this, you know.